Hello, dear guys. Now I'm going to teach you remaining portion of the lesson 5. Lesson 5, a different kind of a school. The book is Honeysuckle. Yesterday I told you how a man is there at Miss Beam's school, and just he is trying to know, he is trying to find out what is the way, system of a school, methods of a school, how children are taught there. Just in this portion, just the man is there, and he is in the ground. That is beautiful ground is there, and he said, and a lot of jolly children he saw there. The man who is there at Miss Beam's school, some jolly children are there. Some children are happy and they are playing there. It pains me, just he feels pain. Why? Why it hurts him? Though to see that they are not all so healthy. All children are not healthy. The man saw some children are there and they are not healthy and also active looking. Some children, some boys or girls are there and they are not looking healthy and active looking. They are not so active and healthy. When the person came in, he saw one poor little girl. A poor girl was there and being led about. She has some trouble with her eyes. The man saw that a girl was there and she had some trouble with her eyes. What was the matter? Now I can see two more girls were there, and they were also in same difficulty. That is, they were also in same difficulty. What was the difficulty? And there is a girl with a crutch, that is Vaisakhi, with the help of that lame person's walk. So that is, she was holding a crutch, watching the other side play. That is, the girl was standing there with the help of crutch and she was watching how children are playing there. And she seems to be a hopeless cripple, lame person, lame. That is, she was helpless, cripple, lame person and helpless. She was feeling helpless there. Miss Beam laughed. Oh no, she said that they are not lame, they are not blind. That is, what is the reality? She is not really lame. Miss Beam said that she was not really lame. वो actually लंगड़ी नहीं है. This is only her lame day. It was her lame day. ये उसका lame day था. That is lame day. That is, on this day, a boy or girl acts like a lame. एक lame की तरह वह act करते हैं. तो it was her lame day. The others are not blind either. The girls who are looking blind, they are not blind. Really they are not blind. They are acting as blind. Blind की तरह act कर रहे हैं. Really they are not blind. It is only their blind day. They are acting as blind. Why? Because that is, they are taught something. They are taught through this way. I must have looked very surprised, for she laughed again. Again she laughed. Why? What was the cause of her laughing? This is very important part of system. Just Miss Beam told the man. It was a very important part of her system of a school. It was very important part of the school system. Why it was important? To make our children appreciate and understand. That is, it was a method of teaching them how they can appreciate and understand misfortune. How? That is, these lessons are given to children for their appreciation and also understanding misfortune, how they can realize, how they can face misfortune of their life, whether some lame persons or blind persons or dumb persons. Each child has one blind day, each person. That is, each day they have their turn. One lame day, one deaf day, one injured day and also dumb day. Dumb, gunga, dumb day. During the blind day, their eyes are bandaged. During the blind days, their eyes are bandaged, and they act like a blind man. They act like a blind man. To feel, to realize the misfortune of blindness. And dumb day during and bandage, absolutely they are on their honor not to peep. They are not allowed to peep. They are not allowed. His eyes are bandaged, they are not allowed to peep. The bandage is put on overnight, the whole night, पूरे रात के लिए bandage बांध दिया जाता. In the morning when they wake blind, और सुबह जगते, that is their eyes are bandaged. This means that they need help with everything. That is just like the blind persons, they need help from others. Other children are given the duty of helping them, and other children are there who help these persons who are acting like blind or lame or dumb, and they lead them. They all learn so much this way. This way they learn much. They learn much. Both the blind and the helpers both learn something. There is no misery about it. No misery is there. No misery is there in it. Miss Beam continued. She continued telling the man, everyone is very kind, and the children are kind. And it is really something of a game, just like they do this as a game, खेल के रूप में they are playing all these things. Before the day is over, when the day is over, though even the most thoughtless child realizes what misfortune is. Thoughtless. Suppose very weak students, those who are thoughtless, they realize what misfortune is through the acting. Through this acting, they learn, they realize what misfortune is. Misfortune क्या है? Whether it is blindness or dumbness or that is all these kinds of misfortunes they realize. They realize what misfortune is. The blind day is of course really the worst. Blind day is worst, very bad. ये blind day सबसे ज़्यादा बुरा होता है. Why? But some of the children tell me that the dumb day is the most, but some children are of opinion that dumb day is very bad. We can't bandage the children's mouth, that is children's mouth are not bandaged in this, so they really have to exercise their willpower. They have to exercise their willpower. Willpower का use करते हैं. Come into the garden and see for yourself. Just the lady, Miss Beam, invited him, took him to the garden to see how they are acting. Children feel about it. Miss Beam led me to one of the bandaged girls. One girl was there and her eyes were bandaged. उसकी आंखें बंधी, पट्टी बंधी थी. There is a gentleman come to talk to you, she said. Miss Beam said to the girl, लड़की से उन्होंने कहा, whose eyes are bandaged, that is some gentleman is here, wants to talk to you. Don't you ever peep? I asked the man, asked the girl. The man asked the girl, don't you ever peep? क्या कभी तुम झांकती नहीं? Oh no, she exclaimed, that would be cheating. She said, how obedient the girl is. That is, she said, it is cheating. If I peep, यदि मैं झांकती हूँ तो ये cheating है. That's why, but I had no idea. It was so awful to be blind, awful bad to be blind. How bad it was. You can't see a thing. You feel you are going to be hit by something. Every moment it was a fear that for blind man, that is, it is the fear that he hit something. किसी चीज़ से टकरा जाएंगे. बार बार ये डर बना रहता. Are your helpers kind to you? Just the man asked the girl, are your helpers kind to you? तुम्हारे जो helpers हैं तुम्हारे प्रति सहानुभूति रखते, kind होते? Fairly, yes, fairly they are kind to me, but they are not as careful as I shall be when it is my turn. When it is my turn, I should be careful. जब हमारी बारी हो तो हमें careful होना चाहिए. A blind man or dumb man, you should careful, उसे careful होना चाहिए. Those that have been blind already, you पहले से ही blind, that is, they have realized what blindness is. The best helpers, those who are blind already, जो पहले से ही blind हैं और they have acted like a blind person, that is they are the best helpers. वे सबसे अच्छे helpers होते हैं जो already act कर चुके हैं as a blind, as a dumb. It's perfectly good not to see. I wish you would. Yes, I need to. Everywhere I asked. Oh yes. Next portion of this lesson I will explain later. Next day. Thanks.